How to factory reset the Sony Bluetooth headphone. Okay, and today video I'm going to show you the factory reset setting on your Sony Bluetooth headphones. And as you can see on the table now, this is the Sony WI-C100 Bluetooth headphone. Okay, and we have these three of the button: volume down, volume up, and power button. Okay, and to reset the headphone, now you need to press the minus and power button together. And now my headphone in the power off position, and let's try together what will happen when we press that button. Just press two of them at the same time and continue. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you see the light appear like this, release the button. And now let's try to find connection on my phone. Okay, and now I check on my phone. This is the last connection, and now let's try to turn on the headphone, and we try to connect it again. Okay, so it's not connected because now we already factory reset this headphone. Okay, now I try to forget this device. Forget device. And after that, turn off Bluetooth and turn on it back. And now we see the other and now we see the WI-C100 pop up again, and now we connect it. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can perform the factory reset setting on your Sony Bluetooth headphone. And this is the test for the WI-C100 model. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.